Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn starting and stopping containers in Docker. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. First command is docker start. This command is used to start a container that is in a stop state. Once started, the container is in running state. So example is docker start container ID, okay, or my container. So whatever you have, you can just add it over here, my container. So currently we have to start, so docker start container. So docker stop, this command is used to stop a running container. If you want to stop with the help of, here you can see that we have an example, right? So here I have stopped this sudo docker stop this, where add the container ID. So here I need to add the container ID, automatically stop that one. Okay, docker restart, I want to restart my container, so just I want to use the docker restart. Let's go and check this one. So this command docker restart with the command 995. So let's see and let's go and check this one. So I need to run this command restart, and here I will use my this. So here you can see that's already running. So just let me check that one, that is working or not. So here you can see that it's working now. Previously it shut down, right? So this is how you can restart the container like this. And next one, docker pause. So I want to pause this docker, so I need to use the docker pause. So here I need to just use the docker and with the pause statement, pause. So here it's gonna be pause right now, and what happened to this, and this is not working. You can see that it is paused in state. Okay, next unpause. So I want to unpause this one with my container. So let's go over it and let's add the unpause. So here you can see that it's unpaused right now. Now it's working. Here you can see it's working now. Now we have the docker wait. Okay, so this command blocks until a running container stops. It can be useful in scripting scenarios where you want to wait for a container to finish its execution. Example, docker wait my container. Then we have a docker kill statement. This command sends a SIGTERM signal to the running container, forcefully terminating it. Doesn't give the container a chance to perform graceful shutdown. Example, docker kill my container ID you need to put. Okay. Then we have a docker attach. So this command connects the running containers process, allowing you to interact with its main process, typically a shell. Docker attach my container. These commands are crucial for managing the lifecycle of the Docker containers, allowing users to control their execution, pause, resume, process, and interact with the running containers as needed. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.